what do we got next, guys? Well, this thing's firing up. What are we doing? Walking around. We're looking for our fluids. We've got 3 different fluid levels. Mori actually hides theirs behind a little door here in the front of the machine. It's in the acceptable level. It is a little bit low down on the bottom side. You'll see lubricants T32. This takes a Waylube 32. We have Waylube 32, Waylube 68, both back here in the back. We also have a Vactra number 2. Always make sure, guys, that you're putting the correct oil in the machine. The 68 Waylubes do not work well with the 32 Waylube machines. The Haas SL20 Vactra number 2 is the only oil that we can use in the Haas's. As we walk around the machine, guys, we're looking for any damage, anything out of place. Once again, our chip container's full. This would be something to take note of. If we were starting our shift, it would probably be looking something like get the machine, get it up, get it running, get it productive, then get the chip tub empty while your machine is being productive. Okay? As we walk around the machine, we're looking for anything out of place. We're going to make note that this air filter is absolutely filthy and needs to be cleaned out. It needs to be removed, blown out, cleaned. Walking around the machine, I've got a coolant tank here in the back, coolant pump on top. I've got it about half full of coolant. I don't have a skimmer on this machine, so there's a thin layer of oil on top of the coolant. That's kind of normal. Right above the coolant tank is the hydraulic tank, and you'll see the sight glass, and you'll see the oil is in the operating level, so we're good. Once again, all the guards are in place, doors are closed, everything's looking good. Guys, on boot up, this machine is going to tell, it has a little warning. It basically says that only trained, authorized people should operate this machine. At this point, because I'm a trained, authorized operator of this machine, I can hit OK. Machine's going to come up. I'm actually getting an alarm on this machine that says the battery is low. The batteries on these machines actually keep the parameters. So it's absolutely critical that we make note of this. We got a 307 alarm. I need to replace the batteries on this machine. If we continue to ignore this alarm, what's going to happen is eventually we're going to power this machine up and it's going to be a babbling idiot. It's not going to know what it is. It's not going to know its limits. It's not going to know. It's not going to have software loaded. So we absolutely need to make note of that, and I'll get those changed today. I can reset the alarm and it goes away. It's asking me to cycle the door. So we open the door and we close the door. That message will go away. At this point, guys, I've got a work light here on the control. I can turn the light on inside the machine. Now, anytime I want to open this door, I've got a door release button. I push the button and the door opens. A lot of safety built into the Mori machines. When I open the machine up, I look inside. I want to make sure that I'm not going to have any interference. To home this machine, I'm going to go to hand wheel mode, and I'm going to move the machine away from home. I have to actually, to open the door, I have to have the interlock off. I'm going to move the machine away from home in Z, move the machine away from home in X. I'm going to go to 0 return, and I'm going to go back home. Once this machine is at home, I've got my home lights are lit up. Guys, this machine, we have powered it up, we've done our walk around, we've checked our fluids, we've homed the machine. This machine is now prepared for production.